Hi there, Maureen from Color Me Positive PLR, and I just wanted to do a quick tutorial on how to create bookmarks in Artistly because somebody was asking about this. Now, I've played around and I've done a few things, and the easiest way I find to do this is come into Artistly, go to the Fast AI Image Designer, okay? And you're going to want to come over to AI Art Illustrator, right? Click on that. Now you're going to see all these different styles that you can use. So choose one that you think you would like and then create your bookmarks with that style. Um, let's see, I'm going to do watercolor, seems to be my favorite one. Now I have a prompt here. I'm going to paste it in. And I want a colorful, intricately designed bookmark featuring two adorable cats. And then I put in one with bright blue eyes and fluffy white coat. Okay, and the rest. Now here you could actually just put this in, a colorful, intricately designed bookmark featuring two adorable cats. Okay. And then I'll show you what the prompt thing here will do. Okay, and I want words on this, so I put in the middle of the bookmark the words "just one more chapter" written in playful script. Now if I want to enhance this prompt, you just come up here and you click on this and click on enhance, and it will give you a wider perspective on the actual prompt. Now see what it did? Put in a whole bunch of things, okay? So I'm just going to go with that. I'm not going to edit it. Now the size you want to do, the one I found best is the 9 by 21 because it's the width is the smallest that you can get in Artistly with this. So I'm just going to put that in there. And I'm going to say 4 and then generate image and we'll see what it comes up with. These are other cat ones I was playing with. Hey, let's try refresh. There you go. Very nice. See, they're very, very sweet. And they did the text extremely well, right? Now, once you have one you like, I mean, you could keep regenerating if you like, but I kind of really like this one. I like the faces here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to download this one just for now. Now, in terms of Artistly and actually getting the up leveling it, they're not great. So I would take this into another program to scale it, okay, to get the 300 DPI if you're going to use these as print templates, right? Okay, so I've done that. Now I would take it in and I would play with it, scale it, crop it, and do all that stuff in another program like Photopea, which is free online, like Photoshop or whatever. But I'm going to come over here to Canva and I'm going to upload that file that I just downloaded. And I already have this prepared. This is 2" by 7" bookmarks, right? So I'm just going to grab it and pull it in. And it actually works really well. Okay. So I didn't have to crop anything. I might be able to move it. Whoops. I didn't want to do that. So you can move it around in here if you double click on it. Now let's see what that. There, that's perfect, right? So it's really, really simple. But like I said, to upscale it, you're going to have to take it into another program and do that and crop it I mean, this worked out well because we really don't have to crop it. So let's see, let's do another one. Uh, Here you can just look at the thing and it'll give you what you use, give you the prompt. And I'm going to say regenerate. And that'll just put the prompt in there for you. And then I'm going to choose the size again. And let's do 4 more. See what it comes up. Oh, I like that one. That's cute too. Let's download this one. So you can actually create a series of these different cats because cats are really extremely popular. So they're always good to work with. Let's drag that one in here. Nice. So this one I would have gone in and cropped. Like I would crop it because, well, you could leave it like that actually. It's kind of cool. And then just, keep doing that. It's very simple. So any kind of design that you want, just go over to AI Art Illustrator and let's try a different one. Flat stylized digital illustration. A vertical bookmark with cats and the words just one more chapter. Let's see what it does with a very simple prompt. Okay. I'm not even going to enhance it. I just want to see what it'll do. So it's like you don't have to be a prompt expert because Artistly will help you out with that. If you want to enhance the prompt, if you don't like the results of your simple prompt, just go back and enhance it. And the good thing about Artistly is you could do this forever and you never hit a limit. So you can create as many images as you like. Okay. Oh, that's kind of cool. Huh, that's a very different style. Okay, here it didn't do so well, but here it did a pretty good job, right? So I'm going to go back and let's look at this. Click on the eye and that's the prompt, okay, that it used. I'm going to say regenerate and I'll put it back in here and then I'm going to enhance the prompt. So if you don't, because this is long, I could never sit down and write all this, right? It just wouldn't come to me naturally. So you let Artistly do it. Choose your size and the quantity you want and generate. And we'll see what it does with that. I love this one too. Now I want to do bookmarks. Okay. Oh, that's interesting. Oh, that's kind of cool. See, the words here are not so good. This is too skinny. Let's try this. I'm going to download that one, see what it looks like in Canva. Okay, so let's upload that file. So see, Artistly's prompts, they do quite a good job in terms of different styling. See, let's move that over. Oh, too much. Okay, so I would go in and definitely edit this one. Well, you want to upscale them anyway, but this is a great one. You could position this in your shop as black cats, like people who love black cats. So you could do a whole bunch of black cats bookmarks, right? People who love black cats absolutely love them. And this would be good for Halloween, different things like that, right? This is just overall cute, right? Which people love too. So black and white cat, your limit is only your imagination, okay? Because Artistly can do so much stuff. So just play with it, right? But I tried different things in AI design agents, all that stuff, but I found doing bookmarks using Illustrator and choosing your style beforehand worked the best. Okay, so just again, play with it and use the prompts that Artistly gives you, or if you have a prompt you love, use that. And it's simple. You could just put in a vertical bookmark of whatever you want and then ask Artistly to enhance that, and it will. And you can go through the prompts and change them if you like to after Artistly has enhanced them. So I hope this helps. Have fun with it.